In this video, I will teach you how to create a halftone text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new document and use these dimensions. Now select the Type tool and type your text. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Go to the Type menu, change case, and choose uppercase. Here, I am using the chat long font. The link to this font is mentioned in the description. Change the text color to none. And go to the Appearance panel. If it's not there, you can drag it from the window menu. Add new fill to it. And apply this gradient to it. Open the Gradient panel. And set the angle to 90. Then go back to the Appearance panel. Go to Effect and choose Rasterize. Use these settings and hit OK. Go to Effects again, then Pixelate and Color Halftone. Use these settings. And hit OK. Now create a rectangle shape with the artboard dimensions. And do the center align. Apply the color to it. Right-click on it, arrange, then send to back. Select both. And open the Transparency panel. And click on Make Mask and check the Invert Mask option. You can change any color to it. This is editable, double-click on it to change text. And it's done. Isn't it amazing? If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.